Hello everyone! Welcome back! In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to make a JomPAY payment from your Maybank account. Let's get started. To make a JomPAY transaction from Maybank to InstaPay technology, you will need their specific biller code. The biller code for InstaPay is 11,445. Step-by-step guide how to do. Log in to your Maybank to You account via the website or the May app. Navigate to the Pay Bills option. Select the JomPAY option. Enter the following details. Biller code 11,445. Ref 1. Your InstaPay reference number needs to provide here. Check your InstaPay app for the specific reference required. Ref 2. Optional, you can leave this blank or add a note like top up. After that, click Continue. Enter the amount you wish to send. Check the box to agree to the terms and click Pay. Authorize the transaction using Secure to You or SMS tag.